Hi, welcome back to Haplast channel, your go-to destination to eco-friendly packaging. Today we're gonna introduce to you the best t-shirt bag for supermarket, retail store and restaurant. Our recycled packaging comes in various options, ranging from 50% to 100% recycled materials and have many different sizes depending on your needs. Moreover, your business name and logo and other information can be printed on so we can customize your product. And what is the best part? We provide you an affordable price and better quality. Haplast can tailor to specific price and technical requirements, whether you need a budget-friendly option or premium quality packaging, we all have for you. So don't worry about the price and also the quality. And one recycled packaging can be used up to 125 times. It is so cost effective and also contribute to protect the environment. So don't compromise on your packaging needs. To Haplast recycled packaging and join us in making a difference. Get in touch with us today to discuss your specific requirement.